First, we're going to download data. We're going to open it in Excel. We're going to save it. So first, we're going to use the text column. Then we're going to make a new column here. And then warranty here in total. So the sum. Then warranty here in count. So the first one, sum if. And the criteria, we're going to see the kitchen. And then summary, C2 until C301. So function F, function F. Because we're gonna lock it, we need to use the function F for. Then just autofill. Oh, like this. Then count F, same range, B2, B201, function F, function F, then the criteria, kitchen. Then Then format as table to make it looks good. I'm just gonna use this one. Yes. Yeah. And then we're gonna make a pivot table. Select all the data, insert pivot table, existing worksheet, just gonna put it right here. And then warranty in rows, warranty in values, but in count. Then we're gonna make a analysis. We're gonna use pivot table analysis. We're gonna make a bar chart. Then just put it right here. And we're also gonna use a slicer based on department. So what it shows is so it shows the each amount from each year for each department. For example, the lightning, we can see here the count is 26. You can see here the 2 is in 14, and then the 3 years have 5, and then the 5 year has 7, then for the living room shows the same from this table. And we can see the total is also the same, 44. And then living room, also 44. Let's see, for kitchen, it's 35. It's also 35. And we can see here the total must be in 35 too. household applicants, 62. It's also in 62. So it's the same. Then for the bedroom total count is 44, and here's the grand total 44. We can see here from each years to each warranty, divided by years. And then for the bathroom, you can see here it's on 88, and we can see the total is also 88. And we can see too here for each warranties, um, by years. And we also can select multiple, for example, bathroom and bedroom. The total is 133. We can see here the bathroom total is 88, bedroom is 45, submit, and then you get 133. For example, you wanna use this for total is 167. If you sum all this total, excluded the bathroom and the bedroom, it will also give you 167. And then you can see here from each of it. For example, you wanna do the total too. So that would be the 100, and this in sum also 300, because we have 300 data, and we can see from each one 3 years too here. So it's a very useful feature.